Here's 5 OneNote secrets for maximum productivity.
Tips number 1, how to copy a text from inside a photo. Let's insert a photo right over here. Let me go and drag and then attach one photo over here. Okay, so this is one of the ingredients of my favorite food. Guess what it is? Okay, now you can see all this, and if I want to get the text, this is a photo, right? You can click, you can see you can copy the text, right? So all you need is just click on the photo, right click it, and then copy text from pictures, right? You already copy text. Then what you do is just basically paste it. All right, I can click here, paste it, Control V, paste it. So I can all the photos right over here, and you can just basically adjust it. Okay. Now you want to make it like bullet points. This is another bonus tips, right? You just press Control and full stop. You get this, right? Or Control / you get the numbers, okay? Numbering. Yeah. So this is how you copy text from the photo. Tips number 2, if you're lazy to type, then you can use this function to help you take notes. Let me click somewhere over here, go back to home. I can click here, see this dictate. Let's click here. And then this button is, you see, it's blinking, right? So basically you can see that it is typing what I am speaking. Yeah. So you can just reformat it, and I can click it anywhere, and it will start typing. Okay. So today is a very hot day, and I'm showing you how to use the dictation button. After you finish, just click here, stop. That's it. Right? So if you're in a meeting and you don't want to type, you can basically click the dictate button, and whoever's speaking, it will turn into text for you. Now, tips number 3, if you like to draw shape, yeah, just go to the draw here, and sometimes, let's say I want to draw a circle. You see, it looks very ugly, right? So if I want to have a nice circle shape, what I need to do is that you just draw it here, and then make sure it's linked, and then hold it, okay, for extra seconds. It will turn into a shape. So I can do this, right? Nice triangle. Or I can do a square like this. See? It looks so nice. So this is a auto shape function that is already inside your OneNote. Tips number 4. So if I have a lot of pages, if I want to sort, basically you can click here and you can arrange it by alphabet or date modify. So the latest one that you just modify or goes up. So this will save you time, especially once you have a lot of notes, for you to do sorting and arrange. Yeah. If you want to do it arrangement by yourself, basically you just click done, and then you can just drag and drop and arrange it yourself. Now you want simple, you want alphabetical, you just click here, and none, it will go back to the arrangement that you arranged just now. All right. Tips number 5. Yeah. Tips number 5 is that you come to here, drawing, and sometimes you want to just draw a line, right? So click here, then I can drag this and click here. I can just draw a line. No matter how ugly, I will draw a nice line. You see that, right? So if I want this, you just put on your scroll button, okay? And then you can draw a nice line over here. You see that, right? So you want, okay, 10 degree. Another one. See, it's nice, right? So you don't want that ruler, just click it. Yeah, so this is how you draw a line nicely inside OneNote. Now, I hope this OneNote secrets will help you to become more effective in taking notes so that you got more time to focus on your execution. So this is Andrew, and I'll see you real soon in my next video.